Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kawalya Robert. I'm doing business computing here too. So in this video, we are going to look at importance of time series. So before that, we should know what a time series. Okay. So when data is arranged uh, according to its time of occurrence, it forms what we call time series. In other words, time series is the arrangement of data according to its time of occurrence. For example, you can be arranging cells, but the cells you arrange them, for example, these cells belongs to this month, this year, what. Okay, you can arrange data in its chronological order when you're following a certain order. Okay, so it can be annual, semi-annual, biannual, monthly, weekly, daily. So that forms what we call time series. There is what we call time series data. Examples, there can be monthly sales or annual sales, annual profits, annual wages, annual operating costs, GDP, among others. Okay, so let's go to importances of time series. So time series play an important role in the following ways. For example, uh, the first one is planning. Okay, planning. How can time series help us in planning? For example, uh, remember you have collected the data uh, and you say this data is for 2021, this data is for 2022. Okay, you have arranged it in that way, so you can plan uh, for the future. Okay, for example, in the agricultural sector, for example, when you see that there is a variation, there is a seasonal variation whereby we expect a dry season, so you can plan for that dry season. Okay, so let's go to the second importance uh, of time series. There is what we call forecasting. Okay, after arranging that data, so this data, these are wages for this month, this is for this. So you can base on that data and you say we expect we expect this loan, like we expect wages of this amount in the next month or the following month. Okay, let's go to the third importance. That is predicting trends or forecasting trends. So you can say we expect an upward trend. So we expect our sales to increase in this year or the other year. So we can use time series to predict trends. So we know an upward trend, it implies an increase. A downward trend, it implies a decrease. Let me show you. Uh, Let me draw my simple graph here. Here we have time. We have variable time, and here we have cells. Okay. So this upward movement, it implies an increase in what? In cells, and then uh, and so this implies a, a decline or a decrease in what? In cells. So after getting that, for example, uh, in the previous years there was an upward movement of what? Of trend, okay, which shows an increase. So you can base on that and you predict, and you say in the following or in the next years we expect sales to be like this. Okay, hope you are getting me. Okay, and then there is also another importance, there is evaluating the performance. So after getting, like, you can say uh, you have sales of 20, you have sales of 20, 22, sorry, 20, 21, okay, 20, 22, uh, for example, here you have 10, here uh, you have 20, here you have 30, okay, here there is here there is annual sales, okay. So you can say you can evaluate the performance of your business, and you see when we look at this data in 2020, the annual sales were $10, 2021 were 20, 2022 were $30. Okay, so you can evaluate the performance of your business basing on time series. Okay, uh, let's look at the next importance. It is policy formulation. Okay, policy formulation, we can look at it in this perspective of the government. For example, the government, uh, after 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 calculating the gross domestic product, the total monetary value of goods and services produced within the boundaries of economy in a given period of 1 year. So, so they can say in 2022 the GDP was this. In 2023 the GDP is this. So they can base on that and they form policies. Okay.